Are you looking for an SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2015 Dodge Durango Limited all-wheel drive in brilliant black crystal pearl. With LED daytime running headlamps, LED tail lamps with red accents, 20-inch fully polished face aluminum wheels, 9 amplified speakers with subwoofer, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, 8.4-inch screen display, navigation, backup camera, heated second row seats, second row console with armrest and storage, third row seat, power liftgate, remote start system, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 3132B.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.